This is what happened to my trailer during those windstorms all winter. Yeah, the siding's all back on. We replaced some, we'll replace more. It's pretty hot today. I'm so pleased. Next was a chicken coop roof. The winter storms tore off most of the shingles and the roof just got soaked. So Henry from Porcupine Farms came over and ripped the roof off and put me a new one on. And I so appreciate all the work that he did. My chicken coop is nice and dry now, and the chickens are dry, and that's what matters.